So I have the MacBook Neo, and today I'll be showing you how to connect AirPods to your MacBook Neo. Now, first thing you do is just open the lid of the AirPods, and then you want to press and hold the pairing button. Now, some will have the pairing button at the back. The newer AirPods will have a touch capacitive button which you need to double tap to put them in pairing mode. So depending on which version you have, put your AirPods in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now these ones are in pairing mode because you can see the light blinking like that. So what you need to do is just put them aside with the lid of the case still open, and then navigate with your MacBook Neo to Bluetooth. So go to Control Center, click on that, and then go to Bluetooth, click on that little arrow, and then go to Bluetooth settings. In the Bluetooth settings window, they should get detected as long as they're still in pairing mode. And all you have to do now is click on Connect, and they're going to get connected. Now you can choose whether you want to enable them to use Siri or not. That's really up to you. But now we have AirPods connected to the MacBook Neo. Now, if you want to make sure the sound output is coming from the AirPods, just go back to the control center, go to sound, click on that little arrow, and then you can select your AirPods. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions,